In this tutorial I will show how you can display WordPress posts in grid and list view. Today I am going to use the post grid. The post grid is the top popular plugin for creating the most elegant grids for any website with shortcode or post grid Elementor add-ins. It would be great for displaying blogs, menu items, and whatever else your website is meant to showcase. It is fully responsive and mobile friendly, so that the grids you use it to create all look great on all devices. Here you can select different post grid layout style. Let's try simple grid layout first. You can select different grid columns and also add pagination. Let's try different grid layout style. Let's try different grid layout style. Hopefully you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos, share and comment.